Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Cancer Water Sign. Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer and what's going on? Knight of Wands with Four of Swords. I think you are not talking with anyone right now. You are undergoing some healing process to heal yourself. You are doing meditation, but you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Yes. And you are taking rest. And Knight of Wands, someone is very, very attracted to you, and this person is very passionate about you, and they are coming. They are in rush. So let's see. It could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. So Cancer, your recent past, the Moon, Empress, and Two of Wands. So yes, Two of Wands. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. But you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Yes, lot of thinking is going, and there are a lot of illusions, misunderstandings between you and your person. But you are taking your control back. Yes, you don't want to depend on anyone, either emotionally or financially. That was past thinking and focusing on yourself. Then present Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Moon and the Fool. Sorry. So you decided to walk towards your goals. You are doing hard work to achieve your goals, and you are getting success. Three of Cups, there is some celebration is coming, and you are going with the flow and living in the present moment. Very, very positive energy, Cancer, because the Fool energy. You are living in the present moment, and there is a lot of celebration is coming, especially in your work area. And in relationship wise, you are very committed to this person, but your relationship right now is in very slow moving energy. Then future, Seven of Wands, Four of Cups, and Three of Wands. I think you don't want to give up on this connection. Maybe there are some problems because you are feeling missed opportunity. I think not, I'm saying separation or not like that, but there are some problems. But you don't want to give up on this person, and you're still waiting on them if you are in separation. Maybe for some, this is on and off connection, but you're still waiting, and you're still thinking about positively. You're still hoping some positive growth in this relationship. Yeah, long distance relationship I'm seeing here. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Cancer, let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Five of Wands. Yes, there are some disturbances, drama going between you and your person. So two cards I'm not taking. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings. Again, Five of Wands, Page of Wands, and Seven of Swords, and King of... I think there are some trust issues between both of you. I think you are not trusting this person. Maybe miscommunication, false communication. They may be cheated on you, maybe telling lies to you. But Gemini, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. But love is there, and a lot of drama. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention, and they want to send some communication. They're thinking about to communicate with you. For some, there is age differences between both of you, and your person is very good looking. Yeah, there is love, but there is no trust, what I'm getting here. So let's see their intentions. Cancer. Ace of Cups with Ace of Wands. They want new beginnings with you. Yes, they are very passionate towards you, and there is love. Definitely, this person loves you, there is no doubt. But they are scared for rejection. Maybe they're scared for something. That's why they're holding back. They're not expressing their true feelings to you. They're trying to get the strength back because the strength card is here. Right now, your person working on this self, but they will communicate and tell that they want to offer stability to this connection. Yes, King of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to offer stability and they want to marry you, but it will take some time. Right now your person is holding back, but after some time they will approach you, they will communicate with you. There is love. Definitely they will give you clarity and lot of passion. Yes, they want passionate new beginnings with you, but for some it will take some time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Cancer. They do love you. Yes, this person have romantic feelings for you and they want to offer their cup of love to you, and they have a lot of love for you. Right now they're missing you badly. Yes, if you are in separation with this person, they are missing you and they really want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, they are in slow moving energy. That's why for some it will take some time. You also thinking about them a lot, and you are taking your control back totally. Cancer, and it's your card, Chariot. Yes, it is in very very slow moving energy right now. I think you are also taking steps very slowly, and the Emperor, but you are taking your control back. Maybe for some you have ego problem to make a move towards them, but you are thinking about them a lot. For some you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, patience, second chances. You both want to restore the balance in this connection, and justice, second chances, marriage. You both want marriage, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Libra especially. So let's pull some cards. Sorry. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Okay, I realized my mistake. Past person return. I will never forget you. I can't give you what you need. And you are pure perfection and age difference. So the messages are, they realize their mistake, past person return, they will never forget you, and I can't give you what you need, and you are pure perfection and age difference. Yeah, for some, you both have age differences between both of you, and they will never forget you. They are always thinking about you. And for some, they can't give you what you need, maybe for some family issues involved in this connection. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer. A time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. And don't let your past hold you back. So don't let your past hold you back. Yes, you have to move on. You have to forget all the pain. Do meditation to heal yourself, and don't let your past hold you back. And a time to give rather than take. If you're a person always taking, not giving in return, this is the message for you. So a time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.